What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rosh Pumpy, and I hope all of you are safe, staying inside, staying quarantined. I know lockdown ke dates बढ़ चुके हैं, and all of you might be feeling very restless because trust me, even I am feeling the same thing. But यार जान है तो जहाँ है, right? So it's better we all stay inside, only go out when it is necessary. So coming to the point where my main purpose for today's video is that the day I heard that the lockdown is increasing, I was sure that it will increase, but then when it was official, I really felt, very depressed because I am so done staying inside this house, and it is really boring because you can't go out, you can't see your friends. It is really annoying. I totally get that. So what happened was my office and my colleagues back in office have started this contest kind of a thing where you stay home, you do whatever you want to do, just click a picture or send a video and share it, so that you make somebody's day, right? So people were doing it, and I initially thought it's क्या बकवास है यार, bullshit, this is, I am not taking part in it. I have that kind of an attitude, and for me to post anything is really very difficult because, guys, trust me, I am a very conscious person. I get really conscious in front of people, and I get very conscious when people are watching my video in front of me, or something like that. So I get very conscious, and to post a video of me doing something in my own voice, or either me dancing, singing, or acting, or something like that, was very challenging because I didn't want to do it. So initially I was in complete denial that I'm not gonna do this, but one of my friend really forced me. She said, it's high time, do something. And to be honest, I was super bored and I didn't know what else to do, so I thought, okay, let's give this a try. So I gave it a try, and see what I did. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I say, would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you, for I can't help falling in how was the video, guys? Because I think it was pretty good. I mean, I did not expect it to be even okay, but अच्छा था, right? So I am sure about it because मेरे को खुद को अच्छा लगा. Otherwise, I really don't enjoy listening to myself, but I liked it. And initially, I was like, कि it might not be that great, but there were a few people who really complimented, and some of them दिल से, जिन्होंने मतलब पहले तो मुझे लगा कि people are just doing it for the sake of it, कि वो बोलते हैं ना namesake compliments, but then some of them were really sweet and they really दिल से उन्होंने मुझे कॉम्प्लीमेंट करा. एंड स्पेशली जय मलानी, थैंक यू सो मच. सो या, इट मेड मी फील गुड अबाउट इट. एंड आई लिसन टू द वीडियो, like I listened to that particular song again and again, and turns out I liked it. When I thought that I will not even make it, but then yeah, it was good. Because guys, I am so happy about it. You know why? Because I am a very conscious person, as I told you guys before, when it comes to such things. But I was like कि मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं पोस्ट करूँ नहीं करूँ, but then फिर मैंने सोचा क्या ही होगा यार, 4 लोग हंस लेंगे ना, no big deal. If a few of them are gonna laugh, probably I'm making them laugh, so it's good. At least I'm cheering up someone. So yeah, somehow I convinced myself कि it is okay to post videos of your own, of you singing or dancing or doing anything, and it's okay if people are laughing at you. That's how I convinced myself. I told this to myself because I am not a person who does such things so boldly. So yeah. So yes, if you all liked the video, do comment and let me know how it was. Probably I can understand if all of you feel the same, or I'm pretty sure there are some who might feel that I am the worst singer, but I would like to know who feels what. So do comment and let me know what you guys feel. And yes, once again reminding all of you to stay indoors, stay inside, do not go outside until and unless it is extremely necessary. Stock up your ration so that you're not going again and again. एक ही बार में खरीद के रख लो, so that it is easier for you also, because then you will not have to go 10 times outside. And yes, stay safe. We're all gonna get through this, guys. Don't lose hope. So yeah, I'll be signing off right now, so do let me know in the comment section, as I told before. And also guys, would like to tell you that if at all you guys have some talent, even if you don't have, like you can't sing or you can't dance, because I was pretty convinced I can't sing, but I somehow did. So post your videos somewhere or the other. Even if people are laughing, it's all right, because just think it in a way that you are making them laugh. At least they laugh because of you, so you're making someone cheerful, and that's not a bad thing, right? So yes, post your pictures on any social media and make someone's day. You'll feel better, because this boredom otherwise will, trust me, ruin you completely. So I think it is better you post videos and have some fun online. So yeah, probably I think I will end my video here, and I'll be signing off. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you all liked it. Do like, share, and please subscribe, because I'm new at this and I really need you to support me. Alright, thank you everybody. Bye bye.